In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google review request in Practice Better. By the end, you'll have an automated system that asks clients for a review at just the right time without you having to remember to send anything manually. First, we'll make sure your location is set up correctly so the review link points to the right place on Google. From your dashboard, head to My Schedule, then open My Locations. Here, either add a new location or edit an existing one. When you're in the location details, look for the field to select your Google address. Choose the exact business listing that matches your practice's location so clients land on your correct Google review page. If you have more than one location, repeat this process for each one so the system knows which address to use. Taking a moment to confirm the right Google address now prevents reviews from going to the wrong listing later. Next, let's turn on the automation that sends the review requests for you. Go to My Practice, then select Automations. Click the plus icon to add a new automation, and choose the option labeled Send Google Review Requests. This automation is designed specifically to follow up with clients after their sessions and guide them straight to your Google review page. Now configure the details. Give your automation a clear name so you'll recognize it later, such as Post-Session Google Review Request. Select the location you prepared earlier so the message uses the correct Google address. Decide when the request should send. You can have it go out right after a session or schedule it for a certain number of days later. Think about your workflow. Sending it soon after the appointment keeps the experience fresh, while a short delay might feel more natural if you want clients to reflect on their results. Finally, choose how the request is delivered, email or SMS. Email is great for a slightly longer, more personalized message. SMS is brief and convenient for clients who prefer texting. Choose the channel that best fits how your clients like to hear from you, and make sure you have consent for text messages if you opt for SMS. Once everything looks good, save the automation. From here on out, Practice Better will automatically send Google review requests based on the timing and location you selected. You can always come back to this automation to adjust the name, timing, delivery method, or location as your needs evolve. That's it. Your review request system is live and working for you. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.